ಸಂಚಲನ ಸಂಚಲನಂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಸಮ್ಮಿಳಿತಂ ಸಂಚಲನ ಸಂಚಲನಂ ಸಂಚಲನ సంచలనం పురాణేతిహాసాలు ప్రవచించిన సూత్రం పురోగతి ప్రమోదించు నృత్య దర్శనం సమాహార కళాత్మకం ఈ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం ప్రతి పదము ప్రతి పాదము శాస్త్ర సంకలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పరమాత్మము తీసిన కళా విన్యాసం క్షీరసాగరోద్భవము సుధాసారం సమాహార కళాత్మకమీ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయ సమ్మిళితం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పురాణేతిహాసాలు ప్రవచించిన సూత్రం పురోగతి ప్రమోదించు నృత్య దర్శనం సమాహార కళాత్మకం ఈ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. I am Swapna Shri, Senior Disciple of Sanchalana School of Dance. Welcomes you to Nrityotsav, a virtual festival of Indian classical dance forms. My Guru and founder of Sanchalana School of Dance, Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja, is a renowned artist who made significant contribution to the world of Indian classical dance. With her exceptional artistry dedication and commitment to preserving the promoting Indian classical dance forms on various platforms. After her marriage and giving birth to 2 children, she started learning with the encouragement of her husband, late Shri Kalyan Kumar Garu. She started to mentor young teachers to become accomplished artists. Then she started teaching unprivileged students, which led to her start her own academy, Anasuya Arts Academy, which is now renamed as Sanchalana School of Dance. As a guru, my teacher Garu played a vital role in training and nurturing students and passing on the rich tradition of Kuchipudi to the next generation. As she also started organizing dance festivals since 1993, where she imparts her knowledge and expertise to aspiring dancers. Many of her disciples have gone on to become accomplished dancers in their own right, while still contributing to the legacy of Kuchipudi. A few of them are Dr. Kiranmai Bonala, the daughter of Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja, Artistic Director of Sammohana Arts Academy, Telangana, Dr. Jyoti Shekhar, Director of Gayatri School of Dance, Telangana, Swapna Shri Chakoti, myself, Director of Sri Chakra Kala Nilayam, USA, Aruna Swaroop, Director of Sri Dhanvi Kala Nilayam, Andhra Pradesh, and Dr. Hema Vanasalla, Director of SVS Kala Nilayam, USA. Today we are presenting two famously known as two sister dance forms, the Bharatanatyam and the Kuchipudi of southern India. Bharatanatyam is an exquisite example of storytelling through movement. Rooted in tradition, it reflects India's history, spirituality, and social values. The dance style employs intricate gestures, expression, and postures to convey narrative and emotions. Our first performer, Apurva Shastri, is a Bharatanatyam dancer from Bangalore, India, and currently residing in Santa Clara. She has been dancing for nearly 20 years under the tutorage of Professor M.R. Krishnamurthy Garu at Kala Shakti School of Fine Arts. She completed Vidvat, a state government of Karnataka degree, and also a graded Doordarshan artist. She performed her Arangetram in 2014 in Jnana Samaj, Bangalore, with an amazing audience. She has given several group and solo performances and lecture demonstration over the years. To name few, she was the lead dancer in the prestigious Nada Nirajanam program conducted by Srivari Tirumala Temple in Tirupati, a lecture demonstration at Children's Museum of Manhattan, a Bharatanatyam storytelling at the Drawing Room Annex. Recently, she has written, directed, and performed dance dramas that include Indian mythology and current day social issues. She has been mythologizing Bharatanatyam and its true history, femininity in Natya Shastra, and epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata as how history repeating itself at the Drawing Room Annex, San Francisco. As well as Parvati Paranayam in Sri Mahakaleshwar Temple, Sunnyvale, Hindu Temple, and Sanatan Yaksha Cultural Center. Let's welcome Apurva Shastri Garu to present her art for this evening.
Namaste. My name is Apurva Shastri. I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer from Bangalore. I'm currently residing in Santa Clara, California. My guru is Professor M.R. Krishnamurthy, who is the director and founder of Kalakshiti, Bangalore. He also spent many decades in Kalakshetra under the tutelage of the legendary Rukmini Devi Arundel. The first piece that I'm about to present is something that's inspired by Bengali poetry. It's in a language called Brajabuli, and this particular song is written by Rabindranath Tagore in his poetry collection called Bhanu Shinger Padabali. Here, the Sakhi tells Radha, "Oh, look at the sky. It's overcast with heavy clouds and it's pouring. There's a torrential rain upon us. Now is not the time to go and meet Krishna. He may be singing your name over and over again, but right now, it's not the time for you to be so decked up and go in search of Krishna." This is also set to traditional Bengali music. Thank you.
Sake kaise ja
The next piece that I would like to present to you is a piece that's very close to my heart. It's continuing on this theme of Radha and Krishna. This is taken from the very famous Gita Govindam. It's an Ashtapadi from the Gita Govindam written by poet Jayadeva. Here, Radha is a Khandita Naika. It means she is an angry, jealous, and bitter at the thought of Krishna's infidelity. She waits for him, she has hopes, and she wonders if Krishna will come to her. But he doesn't show up at the appointed time. She waits the entire day and entire night. And in the morning, Krishna does come. But here, all of her disappointment turns into anger when she sees him. She says, "Get out, Krishna. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to hear your lies. Get away from me." Then she talks about how he has always been the tormentor of women since he was young. About how he killed Putana, the demoness who tried to kill Krishna when he was an infant. Radha also accuses him of going around the forest and being around many women and also tormenting them and being mischievous in his own ways. I'll be presenting this song in Raga Arabi. The dance choreography is by Professor A. Janardhanan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Apurva Shastri Garu. It was very expressive presentation. Now moving on to our next performance. Kuchipudi is known for its expressive, quick footwork, dramatic characterization, expressive eye movements, and spirited narrative. This dance form seamlessly blends interactive footwork, graceful movements, and subtle facial expressions. The purpose of Kuchipudi is to emphasize bhakti, which is the worship and devotion towards the Hindu gods, and to connect a devotee and deities through dance. Kuchipudi is a blend of Tandava and Lasya elements. Javalis in Kuchipudi, a charming abhinaya. Javali holds a rare charm in Kuchipudi due to their emphasis on Vachika abhinaya. Female dancers excel in portraying various emotions and narratives through these compositions. Our second performance of today is Kuchipudi classical dance by Mrs. Aruna Swarup. She has been practicing Kuchipudi traditional dance from last 22 years under the guidance of Srimati Padma Kalyan Garu, founder of Sanchalana School of Dance, and Dr. Kiranmai Bonala Garu. Further, she developed her techniques under the guidance of Sri late Vempati Ravishankar Garu for 2 years in Kuchipudi Arts Academy, Chennai. Learning Kuchipudi old tradition techniques from Yakshagana Kantirava Sri Pasumati Sheshbabu Garu through workshops organized by Sanchalana School of Dance. She performed more than 1,000 performances under the guidance of gurus. She started learning Kuchipudi when she was 8 years old, and now she started teaching Kuchipudi to aspirants from 2010. Hailing from Kuchipudi tradition family, she is taking the legacy across borders and persistently trying to establish herself as a best dancer. Mrs. Aruna Swarup holds a diploma and BA in Kuchipudi dance and also pursuing diploma in Natya Shastra from Nalanda University. She is currently pursuing her second year masters in Kuchipudi dance from Sri Potti Sri Ramulu University, Hyderabad. Mrs. Aruna Swarup has started Sri Dhanvi Kala Nilayam in 2020, and she is also working as a teaching faculty at Sanchalana School of Dance, affiliated to Prachin Kala Kendra University, Chandigarh, since 2010. She currently teaches Kuchipudi dance to a span of 40 plus young aspirants in India, USA, Malaysia, Philippines, and Indonesia. Let's welcome Aruna Swarup Garu.
Today I am going to present Pahimam Sri Rajarajeshwari Rachana by Mahavaidyanath Iyer, choreographed by our Guru Srimati Padma Kalyan Vacha Garu and Dr. Kiranmai Bonala. Ragam Chinaranjani, Talam Adi.
राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजत्कृपा राजपीठ निवेदिता निजाश्रिता राजत्कृपा राजपीठ निवेदिता निजाश्रिता चतुरङ्ग बालेश्वरी राज्यलक्ष्मी कोसनाध चतुरङ्ग बालेश्वरी समाराज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धसागर मेखला समाराज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धसागर मेखला
धीं धीं तत्तद्धीं तज्जं तद्धीं तत्तद्धीं तत्तद्धीं तज्जं तद्धीं तत्तत्तर्गिडदों तत्तत्तर्गिडदों तर्गिडदों तर्गिडदों धीं 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 तत्तत्तर्गिडदों तत्तत्तर्गिडदों तर्गिडदों तर्गिडदों धीं 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 तदीं गिण्णत तक तदीं गिण्णत तक दिक्कु तदीं गिण्णत धीं तदीं गिण्णत तक तदीं गिण्णत तक दिक्कु तदीं गिण्णत धीं धीं तदीं गिण्णत तक तदीं गिण्णत तक दिक्कु तदीं गिण्णत धीं धीं धीं
पाहि मां श्रीराजराजेश्वरी कृपाकरि शङ्करि 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 पाहि मां श्रीराजराजेश्वरी येहि सूकं देहि सिंहवाहिनि दया प्रवाहिनि मोहिनि येहि सूकं देहि सिंहवाहिनि दया प्रवाहिनि मोहिनि येहि सूकं देहि सिंहवाहिनि दया प्रवाहिनि मोहिनि पमरि स धप पमरि स नि सरि गम प सरि गम प पमरि स धप पमरि स नि सरि गम प सरि गम प ध प म प ध प नि स प नि स रि स रि ग म रि स स ध प म रि स रि ग म प प म रि स ध प प म म रि रि स नि स रि ग म प स रि ग म प प म रि स ध प प म म रि रि स नि स रि ग म प स रि ग म प ध प म प ध प नि स प नि स रि ग म रि स स ध प म रि स रि ग म प हि मां श्रीराजराजेश्वरी कृपाकरि शङ्करि पाहि मां श्रीराजराजेश्वरी
ताहत जम तरिता दिक्क कुंदरी किट तक तक नक झम तरितई ದಿತ್ತ ಕುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾ ಹತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಾ ದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ತಕ್ಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಾ ದಿ ತಾ ದಿ ತಾ ಹತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಾ ದಿ ತಕ್ಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಾ ದಿ ತಾ ಹತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತತ್ ದಿತ್ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡತುಂ ತ ದಿತ್ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡತುಂ ತ ದಿತ್ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡತುಂ
ಬಂಡ ಚಂಡ ಮುಂಡ ಖಂಡನಿ ಮಹಿಷ ಭಂಜನಿ ಜನರಂಜನಿ ನಿರಂಜನಿ ಬಂಡ ಚಂಡ ಮುಂಡ ಖಂಡನಿ ಮಹಿಷ ಭಂಜನಿ ಜನರಂಜನಿ ನಿರಂಜನಿ సరి గమ పద పమ పద ప నీ స ప ని స రి స రి గమ రి స సద పమ రి సరి గమ ప పమ రి స ద ప పమ మరి రి స ని సరి గమ ప సరి గమ ప పమ రి స ద ప పమ మరి రి స ని సరి గమ ప సరి గమ ప ద పమ పద ప ని స ప ని సరి సరి గమ రి స సద పమ రి సరి గమ ప హిమాం శ్రీరాజ రాజేశ్వరి కృపాకరి శంకరి పాహి మాం శ్రీరాజ రాజేశ్వరి కృపాకరి శంకరి పాహి మాం శ్రీరాజ రాజేశ్వరి
And second, I am going to perform Annamacharya Kirtana Palukutela Talli Pavalinchenu in set to Arabhi Ragam Kanda Chaputaram, choreographed by late Dr. Padma Bhushan Chinsa. I would like to thank Sanchalana School of Dance for giving me this beautiful opportunity to perform in Nritya Utsav, a virtual online dance festival. Thank you.
పలుకుతే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను 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 కలికితనముల విభుని కలసిన దిగాల 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 పలుకుతే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను కలికితనముల విభుని కలసిన
కలికితనముల విపుని కలసినది గాన పలుకుతే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను. నిగ నిగని మోముపై నెరులు పెలకుల చదరా 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 పగలైన దాచలి పవళించెను. నిగ దిగని మోముపై నెరులు పెలకుల చదరా పగలైన దాచలి పవళించెను. నిగ దిగని మోముపై నెరులు పెలకుల చదరా పగలైన దాచలి పవళించెను. నిగ దిగని మోముపై నెరులు పెలకుల చదరా పగలైన దాచలి పవళించెను. జగని పరిణతులతో జగని పరిణతులతో తెల్లవారిన దాకా జగని పరిణతులతో తెల్లవారిన దాకా జగదేకపతి మనసు జట్టి గుణగాన జగదేకపతి మనసు జట్టి గుణగాన జగదేకపతి మనసు జట్టి గుణగాన పలుకుతే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను. కలికితనముల విపుని కలసినది గాన పలుకుతే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను. కొంగు జారిన మెరుగు గుబ్బలొలయగ తరుణి 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 బంగారు మేడపై పవళించెను. కొంగు జారిన మెరుగు గుబ్బలొలయగ తరుణి బంగారు మేడపై పవళించెను. చెంగలువ కనుగొనరా సింగారములు దొలగా చెంగలువ కనుగొనరా సింగారములు దొలగా చెంగలువ కనుగొనరా సింగారములు దొలగా చెంగలువ కనుగొనరా సింగారములు దొలగా అంగజ గురుని తోడ అలసినది గాన అంగజ గురుని తోడ అలసినది గాన పలుకుతే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను. కలికితనముల విపుని కలసినది గాన పలుకుతే నెల తల్లి మురిపింపు నటనతో ముత్యాల మలగుపై మురిపింపు నటనతో ముత్యాల మలగుపై మురిపింపు నటనతో ముత్యాల మలగుపై మురిపింపు నటనతో ముత్యాల మలగుపై పరవశమున కరుణి పవళంచెను మురిపింపు నటనతో ముత్యాల మలగుపై పరవశమున కరుణి పవళంచెను మురిపింపు నటనతో ముత్యాల మలగుపై మురిపింపు నటనతో ముత్యాల మలగుపై పరవశమున కరుణి పవళంచెను తిరువెంకటాచల విభుని కౌగిట గలసి తిరువెంకటాచల విభుని కౌగిట గలసి తిరువెంకటాచల విభుని కౌగిట గలసి అరవిరేను చెమట అంటినది గాన అరవిరేను చెమట అంటినది గాన అరవిరేను చెమట అంటినది గాన పలుకునే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను కలికితనముల విభుని కలసినది గాన పలుకునే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను కలికితనముల విభుని కలసినది గాన పలుకునే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను కలికితనముల విభుని కలసినది గాన పలుకునే నెల తల్లి పవళించెను తల్లి పవళించెను తల్లి పవళించెను.
It was wonderful to watch Srimati Aruna Swarup Garu. We are very thankful to have such beautiful artists performing in our Nityotsav platform. Once again, I thank you both performers and wish them all the success. Would like to have a word about my guru. Srimati Padma Kalyan ma'am believes not only in giving opportunity but also encouraging artists by unique rewarding and presenting their art form to a wider audience. I hope these small steps will pathway and pursue others to reward artists in a better way. On this note, I would like to thank you all for encouraging classical dancers. Stay tuned to the next episode of Nityotsav, a virtual festival of Indian classical dance forms. Stay connected to Sanchalna School of Dance. We will be bringing many more performers presenting in different art forms. If you would like to perform in our upcoming episodes, please feel free to contact us through email at nityotsav@gmail.com. We'll see you all next week. We'll see you all next month, third Sunday. Until then, I wish you all good health, happy dancing from the cultural team of Sanchalna School of Dance and Swapnashri Chakoti, myself. Thank you.